Hi folks, welcome to Kev Shed once again. I'm busy working on a bit of a secret project, so I can't show you. This involves lots of plywood. But I'll talk about that a bit later on. What I can talk about today is the winners of the competition to win three of these, or three separate winners to win three power carving systems. Power carving system. I meant to say precision carving system. Who comes up with these names? It's the amazing little cutters that we've developed. And the winners are, I have them here. The winners are Franklin Jeffers, Steve Churchill, and Rod Hyatt. So you can claim your prizes. You can check the details below to claim your prizes, and we'll get these out to you as quickly as possible. So in these times where there's a lot of bad news around at the moment with the virus and God knows what's happening all around the world, I believe it's really important that we focus on something which is much more healthy, and for me that's being creative, and that's what our tools are all about. And seeing as I'm chairman of Arbitech, what I've decided is I'm going to keep reviewing lots of our tools, and I'm going to start giving away tools every month with silly competitions, etc., just as a way of getting a few more of these tools out to you guys. And what I will do is, if they're new tools and they may not be available in America yet because we don't have stock there, I'll still accept winners from all around the world, and we'll send the products directly to you, even if they're not available in those countries at that time. So that's part of my new plan, okay? So I look forward to seeing you again on Kev Shed. Thanks very much.